I am Prathamesh Burud, studying in final year of electrical engineering. KITCOEK organizes various cultural activities where talent of individual gets enlightened. The activities includes art exhibition, talent show, variety show, sport activities, and many similar activities. These activities enhances the confidence level of students. These activities develop personality of students and assist them in shaping a good career. Thank you.